Hey guys, I was just editing a new video and I have something coming up to me. It's something I hate, and I think we all hate when it happens, because some of us it takes a long time to get rid of. There it is! Do you hear it? It's a fucking hiccup! I can't do anything about it. What I want to ask you guys is, how do you get rid of hiccups? There's like no purified way. Throughout my life there's been these methods. Swallow sugar, swallow some peanut butter. Swallow some peanut butter. Hold your breath and count to 10. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards, because counting the backwards really makes a difference. Like, who says that? Oh, we gotta count backwards from 1 to 30. Like, what? Alright, so I'm gonna try. This is my most common method. So I'm gonna try this in my most common method. It's holding my breath and drinking. See if this works. I hate hiccups so much. Well, that's a fail. Right now I'm just gonna... It sounds like there's a fucking dinosaur in mine. I can't even talk. Alright, I'm gonna try to hold my breath just regularly. And if I pass out and die, well, it's caught on video. A little over dramatic, but I think that worked. Wow. Huh. That actually worked. Now usually that doesn't really work. Holding the breath, I mean it works, but it takes like 20 times for it to work. And I hate doing that. Holding your breath and I feel like I'm going to pass out and die. So really, what are just some methods that you guys do that get rid of hiccups? Is there actually a cure that works every freaking time? Like, I've tried swallowing peanut butter, someone told me one time. It doesn't really work. Swallowing sugar. It's so much stuff, it just stupid. And it never works. So what do you do to get rid of the fucking hiccups?